On our way to the aquarium with these little monsters. Mix it.
Give Maeve a flower.
No, she's got one.
No, stop.
I can stand on it.
Yeah.
You can.
This is when you're spinning.
This doesn't work like that. Here's a fish. Nixon, do you see the fish right there? Do you see the fish? Right there. No, we're not catching these ones. Be careful, Mary. There's a turtle above your head too. This one's called a sheep. Look, wait, no, come here. Sheep crab. Spiny lobster. Great horned owl. Whale, baleen, this is teeth. Dolphin skull.
What is that? Oh my god! What are those? Did you know this? A lobster. I couldn't do it. I died.
That's what I want, dude. I want to go. What do you guys want?
We found a shell.
A lot. Look at this big. Look at
Some sea bass right here.
That's like Ursula's friend.
That's a huge fish. Look at his eyes.
Look at
Look at his big mouth.
they're over here.
Laying down.
Yeah, there's some right here too. Look, here comes another one.
Because I got too hot. You guys look over here. Look over here. You're in a cave, but there's no more species.
That's a big old sea bass.
Dude, that thing is massive.
What is that?
It's an eel.
The shark's right here. The shark's right here. There's a nurse shark right here.
Okay, everybody figure out over here.
3, 6, squeeze. 1, 2, 3, squeeze. Look at it.
I got some. Well, I'll have to go through and pick the best one. Like there's raccoons.
These are the big seashells. Look at these seashells.
Pretty rich.
Oh yeah.
We were just sitting out like in front of the motorhome.
What is that over there?
That's a mahi, and then this is a cougar. Your mom was a cougar once.
Really? You're older than me.
Oh,
Oh, look at
Stingray!
stingrays, yeah. Ready? I'm not tall enough. Huh? I don't think so. There's some stingrays. There's a bunch of stingrays right here. Say hi, Mom. Say hello. Let's see those glasses, dude.
Ma.
Alright, put them back on. Let's go, boys. See Jesus? That's him on the cross. Yeah, he died for our sins.